So I'm on location for the first casting session for this project I'm working on as a DP. Again, like I said in previous video, it's been a long time since I acted as someone's DP. I'm shooting with the Blackmagic 6K camera, and I'm familiar with the camera. I'm familiar with all the setup and settings. So I watched a couple of YouTube videos again. Thank God for YouTube. I got some details about the menu. That's just the preparation that should be done. I mean, by all your crew members. This is just a little tip about preparation. Again, I mentioned it the other day. Getting prepared costs you nothing. Reviewing menus, figuring out what's your editing plan, what format you're going to shoot on. All that kind of stuff is what your DP should do. And when you're interviewing someone for a DP, you want to find out what their process is for getting ready. A lot of people have different processes. People that have been doing it for a while, they know what they're going to do. So that's a good way for you to weed out new DPs who think they can show up on the set and wing it. It's always better to be able to see the set before you get there so that you know what you're dealing with. You know what kind of problems you're going to have. Because, again, remember, you're always going to have problems. That's a big part of filmmaking, is solving those problems. So I'm going to check again to see if I've received a text from the producer/director, and I'll be going into this first meeting. See you in the next one.